So you got stuff like this in Tokyo?
No, not at all.
Right. Move to Kansai.
Yeah.
Kansai 1, Tokyo 0. Just saying.
No.
Just saying.
No, that's a different counting, man. There's all those aspects.
No.
That goes like on, side by side to Kansai and Kanto.
I'm just saying Kansai a million, Tokyo maybe like 10.
No. It doesn't go that much. I mean, I like it. I like it here. But no.
Oh, come on, you.
No, I do suggest you should come. Yeah, sure.
Okay, so let's say I come to Tokyo.
Yeah.
Would you show me as good a time as if you came and stayed with me here for a week?
Well, if I know the right place.
If you know, but like these places, like it's impossible not to find places like this over here.
I'm sure that there is around Tokyo too. It's just that I don't know it yet.
You lived here for 13 years.
But the thing is that that's true. I lived here for like the 13 years, but it's like I never been in one place. So it's like, oh my god, dude. That's something.
Just
Tokyo.
say Kansai is better than Tokyo. Or Kansai is better than Kanto. Just say it one time. Just say it one time. That's all.
Yeah, because you wouldn't be fair. You wouldn't be fair
Oh, it's
to
fair.
Kanto.
It's fair, man. The facts don't care about fair or unfair.
I can't say that because I haven't explored Kanto in the right way yet, as much as Kansai. But yeah, I'll say yeah. I'm a little bit of the Kansai side.
Okay. That's all I had to do.
Yeah,
Okay,
I'm a little bit.
That's all. We're gonna stop. Ooh, we just ran over a pet bottle.
Did I?
Yeah.
I think it was bite.
Oh, it fell out of your bag?
I think so.
Saite Kantojin.
It wasn't on purpose.
But you didn't turn around to pick it up. You're banished. Don't ever come back to Kansai.
That's not fair.
I'm Woodsy Owl, and I'm here to tell you about a dirty word. Help Woodsy spread the word. Never be a dirty.
Woo-hoo. Don't paint or write on buildings. That's pollution.
Give a don't pollute. Never be a dirty.
Woo-hoo. Turn your radio down. That's noise pollution.
In the city or in the woods, help keep America looking good.
We're getting cock-blocked by a cop. We're getting cop-blocked. Look at that water wheel going though. Come on, but he's going slower than this. Oh, thank God. Bye-bye. Stop, I don't want to stop. Okay, go. I can't believe that guy told us to go. Holy shit. That's a cool looking bridge.
Hell yeah.
Oh, sorry. Wrong button. At least over here, the little short beep means kind of thank you, so. We're getting close. You're gonna see the bridge pretty soon. It's huge. Do you see it? You see the bridge?
Yeah. Oh! The one that people are passing by? Or
Yeah.
is it even longer than the red one?
Definitely, man.
Yeah, definitely it is.
Much higher, too. old CBR.